Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to call from Gmail. Let's begin. Once you have successfully opened your Gmail, I want you to head over your settings. Over here, click on that, see all settings. Then over these tabs, I want you to select chat and meet. Make sure the chat option, which is Google Chat, is enabled. So the default would be off, and you can easily toggle in between to enable this feature. Now click on Save Changes. Then once you've successfully made that changes in your profile, you will see this option over here, Meet and Chat. So you can actually choose meets, but we're going to chat someone first. Okay. So you can actually click over here, you chat and search for any person or email address you're going to have the conversation with. Once they will show up in here, click on start chats and then it will prompt a window in here where you can easily chat with that person. And under or over this section, there should be an icon, like a video icon that you can click. And that is actually the call button. So that's it. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.